The human brain is an intricate and powerful organ. It controls our thoughts, emotions, movements, and everything in between. To keep this complex machine running smoothly, we need to provide it with the right fuel. This is where nutrition plays a crucial role. What we eat directly impacts the structure and function of our brains. Just like a car needs petrol, our brains require a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally. These nutrients come from the foods we consume. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides the essential building blocks for a healthy brain. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can have detrimental effects on brain health. These foods can lead to inflammation, oxidative stress, and nutrient deficiencies, all of which can impair cognitive function. Understanding the link between nutrition and brain health is crucial for maintaining optimal cognitive function throughout our lives. By making informed food choices, we can nourish our brains and support their remarkable abilities. Two of the most important nutrients for brain health are fats and proteins. Don't let the bad reputation of fats fool you. Our brains are primarily composed of fat. However, not all fats are created equal. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are essential for brain health, playing a crucial role in cell membrane structure and function. These healthy fats are found in foods like oily fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as nuts like walnuts and almonds, and seeds like chia seeds and flax seeds. In contrast, trans fats and saturated fats, commonly found in processed foods and fried foods, can have negative impacts on brain health. They can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially harming brain cells. Proteins are equally vital, serving as the building blocks for neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in our brains. These neurotransmitters are responsible for regulating mood, sleep, and cognition. Amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, are found in abundance in foods like lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. A diet rich in these protein sources ensures a steady supply of amino acids, supporting optimal neurotransmitter function. Beyond fats and proteins, our brains rely on a vast array of micronutrients, including vitamins and minerals, to function properly. These micronutrients act as essential cofactors in various biochemical reactions within the brain. Antioxidants, found abundantly in fruits and vegetables, play a crucial role in protecting brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and other cellular structures. Vitamins like B6, B12, and folate are essential for neurotransmitter synthesis, DNA repair, and overall brain health. Deficiencies in these vitamins have been linked to cognitive decline and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Minerals too play a significant role. Iron is crucial for oxygen transport to the brain, while zinc is involved in learning and memory. Magnesium supports nerve function, and copper is involved in neurotransmitter production. A varied and balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins ensures an adequate intake of these essential micronutrients. The brain is an energy-demanding organ requiring a constant supply of fuel to function. Carbohydrates, particularly glucose, serve as the primary energy source for the brain. However, not all carbohydrates are created equal. Simple carbohydrates found in sugary drinks and processed foods cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. These fluctuations can lead to energy dips, affecting focus, concentration, and cognitive performance. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, are digested more slowly, providing a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. This sustained energy supply is crucial for maintaining stable cognitive function throughout the day. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats, legumes like beans and lentils, and vegetables are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates. Incorporating these foods into our diets ensures a steady fuel supply for our brains. Choosing the right types of carbohydrates is essential for optimal brain function. By opting for complex carbohydrates over simple sugars, we can fuel our brains effectively and support cognitive performance.